What's up, everybody? Today I'm Monkey Mischief Lava Guide right here. I'm not a lava monkey because, you know, I got captured by the lava. And yeah, so we gotta do this video quickly. So basically, to explain this game, it's basically floors lava. You get lava. If the lava like catches you.
By the way, I'm going to YouTubers, and he's doing a video as well, guys. So yeah, green, red, and blue up here.
Is the so basically this is floors lava.
Right.
I'm going up the map. I think we're cheating, to be honest. We're cheating.
The red one, I dropped the red one.
I think we're probably cheating. Oh, slide! Get in. Slide. Get out of here.
Wait for me, I'm coming up.
Oh shoot!
No,
Wait! Oh no! Oh shoot!
and the lava's come down.
Wait, the lava's come down or up?
I mean up. I mean up, guys. Look down here.
This video is only gonna be short because it's nothing too special.
But we'll do a couple rounds of the lava.
Yep.
Or whatever. By the way, my lightsaber is like drifting away from me, so better be quick. Daddy, can you see him?
Can I see what? Pass! Oh my. Wait, let me try and get off. Let me try and get off. Oh! Did you see that for a cat flap?
Okay, we're up in the air now. I don't know where it is. Oh, it's no.
Get this game. No! Please do not fall. If you fall, I'll kill you. If you fall, I will kill you. What the fuck? It went inside the rock. Okay. Now I've got the green one. Yay. Now they keep on disappearing. Bye, green one. Shall we? Let's start going down a bit. So, yeah, we're a bit cheating.
Yeah, I'm going down.
We're kind of cheating. Let's go down the slide and then let's go a bit like further down because lava's rising. Let's go down because I don't think it can reach us. But let's go a bit further down. Oh shoot. Cool. I'm going on the tree. No!
Oh, I made it on the tree. Daddy!
Oh, poo.
Oh,
I'm gonna get tagged.
Daddy!
No!
Help me, look! Daddy!
No! I fell.
I'm about to get consumed.
By who?
I never got consumed.
No, I'm coming.
I was like on the tree and I went like there.
I'm coming. I have no clue where you are, to be honest. Oh yes!
I'm on the tree.
Yay! Wait, could we go on a different map for this? Maybe. We could try a different map.
Hey Lenny, come here. Yeah, in a minute. Come here. I was on the street the whole time and it went to like there. And I was like...
Shall we go? Oh shoot, I'm going to a different map. I think it's Carnival. Carnival, I think.
Oh yeah. But I'm about to be consumed anyway.
Oh, please don't go there. Bro, nah. Hell no.
No!
Hell no. I'm going out of this place. I'm going out of this place. Oh no. Next round.
It's carnival.
Carnival's filled with lava. Next round, can we go on Carnival? I'll do it there.
Yeah.
Oh shoot, it's gonna get me, I know. But my monkey skills are dead. My monkey skills are dead.
Eddie! Help me!
Where are you? Oh my god. survive? How did I survive?
Lenny, please help me. Lenny, help me.
Don't worry, you can jump down in a minute.
No. Go in Carnival and it should say a place that says free candy. Go in there.
I'm in Carnival, yeah.
No, go. And when you see it, is there a big hole? Is there a hole somewhere?
Oh yeah. Free candy.
Go in there.
Oh, who's this? Hey yo. No.
Get me out of here. Get me out of here.
Please.
No. Get me out. How do we escape?
Why can't we get out?
What's this?
Shall we leave it here or not? We can't get out. Shall we restart?
Yeah, we just restart.
No, don't restart the video. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's like a blue monkey now. Even? Okay. Sorry about that. No wait, it's you know what kind? It's not here anymore. Okay. I'm in. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Ow. Let's go back in the code. Let's go back to Carnival. Oh, you wait. No, it's not on lava. Leave and then join again. Leave and then join. Okay.
Issues, guys. We're just like we have to, Okay.
Let's go back.
Wait, let me just change the colour.
Shoot, it's gonna come. Ow! Hey, that was a bit so still. That free candy thing.
I know.
That's probably like the updates. That's probably part of the updates. The tiny updates. Remember when there was like? Remember when there was like 4 updates a day?
Yeah.
Oh, so I might as well just go a bit like higher, cause you know. Oh, whoa. Haha.
You know, I can't tag you anyway.
Oh, can't you?
No.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Big stinky. Oh my god. If I survive this is just insane. Insane play. Oh my god, I survived. Okay, I survived it. One more round and then we'll end it.
Go in Carnival.
Yeah, well, do not go in the free candy one.
Yeah.
Wait, you're still in lava for some reason? Oh no, you're not.
No, I'm blue.
Why does it change our colour? That's blue. I'm not going behind there. It's a bit saucy.
Candy.
Free candy. Not like people doing stuff.
Oh my god.
Don't get stuff again.
No, I need to restart again.
Bro. Remember going lava. Not tag. Oh shoot. Shooty pooty. Bro. Poo. Yo, I might survive. I'm going on top of. I'm risking my life. I'm going on top of. I went on top of cosmetic. No! I got tagged. You wanna end it here?